separate? Can you separate? Especially that's the other side. I mean you, please go and sit the other side, or else you will move out from my class and never come back. Babe, it's okay. So today we are going to talk about the camera shots. Everyone is going to tell me one camera shot and where is it applied. I think we are going to start with Mr. Coordinator. You are to tell me one camera shot and where it is applied.
Be closer focuses on one's motion mainly on face.
Okay, let's be closer. Please, you are the next. One camera shot and where is it applied. I don't know how you always copy the papers because you always perform very good, but here in class you perform poor. I don't know. You always copy. Okay, the next. Okay. Class dismissed. You prepare for the test in a few minutes to come. Mr. Kai is right. Come to my office.
Make sure you have your grade
That should have been.
Yes, you go. Don't never know what she's going to tell you.
I'm going to go.
Joweria. Ninakuwa msumisamu kati ne questions esinaba amasentence jakwanazo ng'oyita naye kale kibe kyama kyaffe naye nga kale wenkuba nawe nikyogenkubupaayo sigamba nti ninakuweraweera kale kino kibe kyama kyaffe naye nga ngenda kukuba buli kimu nja kuba musomesaamu nga kale nga nkuba ne kubusaasi kale nankuwa etukebusera kati olwayo tunayo pepa ngenda kuba ebigendo ngenda kuba ansa zonna zonna ena okuwulira naye kale kawala kesoma
Madame, bikiriziganyiza nabyo bakinyambako naye nga sirina ssente.
Ensonga si ya ssente kunyisiga, ensonga si ya ssente okukkiriza kyenkugamba si ya ssente. Ogenda oyite bulungi naye ng'ogenda kumpumisinga ogenda yitira wange ati nakala akawala ak'ensonga tukiriziganyisa. What are you doing? Don't hide. Don't hide. Do you want to play with me? You did nothing. Did I say you did anything? You sit with your backs. Is this allowed? You people sit with your backs. That's why we tell you to always attend when we are invigilating you people. This will. You don't know. That's the other side. I didn't go like that. I didn't know. I'm just saying it. Then what? It's not all you need. But it's something you need. You know that. You know that. You know that. Should I say that? Should I say that? Show me. I did nothing. I did nothing. I did not evidence. What is it? Madam, you are disrespecting my body. I'm going to show you. You are not supposed to shoot me in that class. You don't have that authority, madam. Okay. Don't tell. I'm going to dismiss all of you. It's okay. So you've surrendered. You've surrendered. It's okay. Let's move. My friend, come. Madam Susan, you seated here and you've given people the test there in class. People are copying. The whole class is seated comfortably. Others are copying. You see this one? Can you imagine? With a full scarf written.
Where did you get it from?
Explain, my friend. Look at her. Where did you get this paper from? Don't you understand English? Akapapula kano wakajewa kubanga byonna ebiriko byebiri mu paper. Watagedde otya ebigenda okujja mu paper? Kana akapapula kavuddewa. Wanji? Toyogera.
Akapapula wakajewa. Where did you get this from?
Israel. And who is Israel? Wabadde tudde naye. And why are you crying? People like you should just even get ashamed. Katoka babukabi. Bakwata okopanga ovaayo ng'okaaba. You're proud? Oba tukwate wesa. Can you imagine? Obadde eri nga wena weekalakaasa, even yet to slap me in front of the class. Kati ogamba mbu you're sorry. It's too late. Let me get Israel. In fact, you're going to do this. I'm not going to tolerate this nonsense. Bring your paper. Or else it will be another piece. Bring all your papers. See the so-called Ezra answer like this. Instead of doing miracles, he's copying. And I wonder why people like you should be admitted here. You're seated. What's giving you this? My friend, stand there. Stand there, you're not an administrator. And your friend is standing. You're seated? Seated as who? I'm talking to you. Stand there. You're the supplier. Huh? Where did you get this sheet from? Because it's full of answers that suit the questions that are in the paper. Where did you get this from? Are you deaf, dumb, or blind? Because this paper has been given to me by this one. She's saying you gave it to my friend. You're rolling your eyes to me. You have beautiful eyes, but good for nothing. It would have been better when you use those beautiful eyes to write work using your head. And you, where did you get this from? She's saying she got it from you, and you, where did you get it from? Because all the answers here suit the questions that were given to you by the lecturer. Where did you get this from? It was got from you, and what are you still looking at? My friend, explain, where did you get this from? Who? Madam Susan? Is this a joke? Madam Susan gave you this. The same lecturer that had given you the paper is the one that had given you this. Are you? Madam Susan, say something. Is this a prank? So, Madam Susan, you give students questions with answers. And why is it that only one student got the answers? Does this make sense? And where you started from, they were giving you the certificate and whatever they gave you, awarding you to come and do this nonsense. Is this what happened in your school? I wonder. That's the reasons as to why people retain dumb people in their companies. Because you can't tell me that a person like this one qualified and passed highly with such things happening in school. I'm so disappointed. Before you move out, you know the consequences. If you're caught copying on cheating in the exam, you're going to be disqualified. You're dismissed from this university. And being dismissed from the university, you're going to take 5 years without joining any other university. So, go sort yourselves. It's up to you if you get married or you do any other things that deserve you, because you don't deserve to be in the university. Out! Out! Move like you have bonds. I even wonder if Madame Susan deserves that seat. You no longer deserve that seat.
I'm really sorry.
What's the meaning of sorry?
I'm really sorry.
If people were to ask for sorry and forgiveness, it wouldn't have been you. That would have been someone else. If I thought it was only people were copying and you were sitting there, you would have got an excuse. But people were given answers to questions that you gave them, and the answers were given to them by you. What a scenario that is so shocking.
I'm really sorry, Madam.
And I'm also sorry to say you're disqualified.
No, I really
There's
have a
no need of
family.
you have a family. You didn't think of your family before you did that. And having a family, you have a family, having an affair with this kid. He's young enough to be your kid. Didn't you realize that before? And I'm begging you, please quit my office. This could be, and I want this to be the last time to see you in this office. So,